The cheapest Squarespace plan is $16 a month. It also takes 2% of everything you sell. This is Misa Reviews. So this is Squarespace in 2026. 4 plans. Basic at $16 a month on annual billing, Core at $23, Plus at $39, and Advanced at $99. Pay monthly instead, and every one of those jumps. Basic goes to $25. Annual also throws in a free domain for the first year. What you are paying for is design. The templates are the best in the business. Everything is responsive without you thinking about it, and the editor stops you making something ugly. For a portfolio, a restaurant, a studio, it looks expensive in the right way. Then the sales fee. On Basic, Squarespace takes 2% of every transaction, on top of what your payment processor charges. Sell $2,000 in a month, and that is $40 gone, more than the plan itself. It disappears on Core at $23, which is the actual starting price for anyone selling anything. The other limits are real but fair. There is no permanent free tier, only a trial, so you cannot sit on it while you decide. Design control is deliberately constrained, and for high-volume selling, it is not built for that. 7 out of 10. Beautiful, reliable, honest about most things. Losing points for a 2% fee on the plan most people pick by price. Do this. If you will ever take money on the site, skip Basic entirely and start at Core. The fee will cost you more than the upgrade within a couple of months. If that saved you a percentage of every sale, hit like and subscribe to Misa Reviews and turn notifications on so the next one finds you. See you in the next review.